What if you could put more life in your years? This product system is going to create a massive metabolic health movement and help the most people live their most powerful life.
For the most part, metabolic health is dependent on things that are entirely in our control. Healthy eating, daily movement, stress management, including getting enough restorative sleep, healthy human connections, and smart supplementation. We can maximize all the efforts we make to improve our well-being and then reap that benefit for all of our years.
We've now seen in 2 well-designed human clinical trials that MetaPWR Assist can help keep blood glucose levels in a healthy range, flattening spikes and dips that sometimes occur from consuming carbohydrates.
Now, of course, we've added our proprietary MetaPWR essential oil blend to this capsule.
This blend is amazing, developed systematically and optimized for the maximum possible effect.
And we have been intentional about providing this oil in multiple flexible use formats to easily incorporate throughout your daily routine. The powerful chemistry of this oil blend is the secret to its efficacy.
Like most things in life, it's not magic, it's chemistry. From this preclinical research in human fat cells, we have compelling evidence to show that the fat cells are receiving healthier signals and storing less energy as fat droplets. So this is great support for healthy lifestyle choices.
Each of these 12 ingredients has their own story. You might even be familiar with some of them as standalone offerings. With MetaPWR Advantage, we are innovatively delivering all of them together. This patent-pending daily supplement is a truly sophisticated formulation designed to support natural production of NAD+ in your body and replace vital collagen that your tissues need.
To live your most powerful life, to close the gap between lifespan and health span, you must take control of your metabolic health.
Look at what you can potentially gain when you optimize your metabolism. Look at the potential life added to those years. It doesn't matter where you are on the curve or how old you are when you start. Just start today.